ROC AUC curve. What is the AUC, ROC curve? AUC, ROC curve is a performance measurement for the classification problems at various threshold settings. ROC is a probability curve, and AUC represents the degree, or measure of separability. It tells how much the model is capable of distinguishing between classes. Higher the AUC, the better the model is at predicting 0 classes as 0 and 1 classes as 1. By analogy, the higher the AUC, the better the model is at distinguishing between patients with the disease and no disease. The ROC curve is plotted with TPR against the FPR, where TPR is on the y-axis and FPR is on the x-axis. How to speculate about the performance of the model? An excellent model has a UC near to the 1, which means it has a good measure of separability. A poor model has an AUC near 0, which means it has the worst measure of separability. In fact, it means it is reciprocating the result. It is predicting zeros as ones, and ones as zeros. And when AUC is 0.5, it means the model has no class separation capacity whatsoever. Let's interpret the above statements. As we know, ROC is a curve of probability. So let's plot the distributions of those probabilities. Note, red distribution curve is of the positive class, patients with disease, and the green distribution curve is of the negative class, patients with no disease. This is an ideal situation. When two curves don't overlap at all means, model has an ideal measure of separability. It is perfectly able to distinguish between positive class and negative class. When two distributions overlap, we introduce type 1 and type 2 errors. Depending upon the threshold, we can minimize or maximize them. When AUC is 0.7, it means there is a 70% chance that the model will be able to distinguish between positive class and negative class. This is the worst situation. When AUC is approximately 0.5, the model has no discrimination capacity to distinguish between positive class and negative class. When AUC is approximately 0, the model is actually reciprocating the classes. It means the model is predicting a negative class as a positive class and vice versa.
If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment down below. I will respond as per my best. Signing out.